Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys a demo and a review on the new Anastasia collection. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so I'm gonna jump right in. To be honest, I did film this video before. The video that I did at the beginning of this week, I did use these products, but I didn't really like the way it turned out. I felt like I should try them in another way, and then I could also give you guys a more further and better, more in-depth review. So yeah, so we're gonna start off with the brow freeze. So this is supposed to be like it is brow styling wax. So far I really do like the product. It does exactly what it says it's going to do, and that's what I love with products. It does hold your brows in place. Previously I did go ahead and use it before, but I feel like this is a better product for me after, because I did test it out and I really like the way it makes the brow stay in place after. So I think if I was to put this in my makeup routine, it would definitely be like in place of the brow gel, although I really do love the Anastasia brow gel. Okay, so I did go ahead and move a little bit closer so you guys can see a little bit better. So I am going to be using these Equate Beauty mascara wands. Now you could definitely use like your one that's on the back of your so where is it? So you could use one, so you could use one that's on the back. Oh, that's the wrong end. Gosh, can't get it right. So you could definitely use this one, but I feel like it would be more sanitary if you got like the individual ones. I got these from Walmart. It's a Walmart brand, Equate, so I felt like this would be a little bit better and a lot more sanitary, because I could just toss these after I'm done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dip it into here. Now I'm just gonna dip it in, and then I'm going to roll it. And I just roll it one time so that I can get enough product without having like too much on this spoolie. So now I'm just gonna brush my brows up in the front, because that's the direction that they normally go in. And then towards the back, I'm gonna kind of like bring it down. So yeah, this product is like 1,000 times better if you put it on, for me, in my personal experience anyways, if you put it on after you have applied your brows, because it really does freeze your brows and it just holds them in place, and like it's just really, really nice. So I feel like this brow looks a lot better. It's hard to see because it's shiny, but it looks a lot better than this one. I feel like it instantly transforms your brows, and it kind of like gives your eyebrow, even if you have sparse brows like me, like that realistic look. So this product works absolutely amazing. For my personal preference, I do like to use it after I have applied my brows. I've been seeing a lot of people use it before, which is fine. I think you just have to do whatever works for you, and this is definitely like a new product for me, because I normally just use the Anastasia brow gel to lay my brows down, and I always use it afterwards. So I am, I guess, the person that use it afterwards rather than before. But I really do like this brow gel because it works like amazing. Okay, so now that I have the rest of my face on and everything, I am going to go ahead and apply the highlighter. So this is their iced out highlighter. Now my personal opinion, you know, I have worked with this before, because I told you guys I had like a little trial and error with the first video. Honestly, I really love the packaging. So the packaging is really, really gorgeous. Of course it came in a box and everything, but I told you guys I already did this, and honestly I'm more interested in this packaging anyways. So it does come packaged like this. It does have a mirror here, but obviously I don't want to like blind you guys with the highlight, or with the mirror, excuse me. So here is the highlighter. So it does appear to be like a starky white, but it's actually golden on the screen, I mean on the skin. And you know, honestly, I don't get the iced out vibes with that, but it is still a very pretty highlighter, and I love the fact that it does have like a beautiful like gold tone. You can even see it if I put it a certain way in the light. You can see the little gold undertones. So I don't know why they named it iced out, because iced out would seem like something more cool tone in my personal opinion. To apply it, I'm going to use my A23 brush by Anastasia. So yeah, it's really beautiful and golden. I absolutely love this highlight. I just didn't feel like I don't know, like in my personal opinion, I just feel like it doesn't match the name really well, like because this is definitely something that's more golden. But however, it is a gorgeous highlight, and it's not to diss them or anything because I love Anastasia, but yeah, I just don't feel like it matches like the name. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's very gorgeous. So if you are chocolatey like me and you were kind of hesitant on getting this, this is definitely something that could work on our skin tone, so you don't have to worry about it looking crazy, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna apply some to my nose as well. Like, yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna apply some to my brow bone as well. Yeah, just like a little bit, so when the light hits me, since I'm not wearing any eyeshadow especially, need something to make me pop. Lastly, we have the gloss. Now, I was not able to get my hand on both of the glosses, but however, I did get the diamond lip gloss. Now again, with the correlation and making everything make sense, okay? The brow gel, I mean the brow freeze, I really love that they came out with that because a lot of people don't do that in their collection, so I'm happy that they did include something that can be very useful and that actually works, and that was a different item, you know, besides lip gloss and eyeshadow and the typical stuff that we want. Now for me personally, I feel like the diamond gloss does not correlate well with the highlighter because of the simple fact that this does actually have a silver undertone. I definitely feel like this should have been called iced out, and that should have been called diamond highlight or something, because I mean, you know, you can kind of get that, even though diamond is like more of a cool tone in my personal opinion as well. But yeah, like this doesn't really match, so I am gonna put it on for the sake of the video. And it is a beautiful gloss and a beautiful highlight, but it just doesn't, I just feel like it doesn't correlate well with the highlight, which I guess it doesn't matter because it essentially comes out as like a clear gloss. But when we talk about like making things, you know, correlate, okay, wait, so okay, so it looks cool tone in this bottle, but it's actually having some gold reflex. Okay, so it does make sense. Okay, I take that back. Okay, so this does make sense, but again, it does look like diamond, but it's more of like golden. So I guess the same thing with the highlight, like it has like that white cast, but then it comes out golden, and this has a really white cast and it's coming out golden. So I don't know, they have like magic potions that make things look different, but I'm glad because this is pretty. So there was another gloss that they came out with, but I didn't get to get my hands on that one, but it was just a clear gloss, and that's pretty much what this looks like. Now as far as the formula of this gloss, I like it because it's not super tacky or anything like that, but it does give you like that wet, like glossy effect that we really love. And when you obviously when the light hits you, you can see the gold reflex in the glitter specks. And then also I love the fact that I can't feel the glitter specks on my lips, because Anastasia has had lip glosses, and you know, it's not to diss them because again, I love Anastasia, but some of their lip glosses used to be rough on my lips. Like I felt like I was doing lip scrub. So kudos to them for that, for coming out with these thin, finely milled glitter specks for this lip gloss. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply like the rest of my makeup, like my eyelashes and stuff, and then I'll be back so I can tell you guys how I feel about all three of these products. Okay divas, so now that I've shared with you all of the things that I picked up, I did want to tell you guys one by one like how I pretty much felt about them and whether or not I would recommend them. So let's go ahead and start off with the brow freeze. So this brow freeze is everything, you guys. Like honestly, if you don't get anything else from this collection, I definitely recommend the brow freeze. This brow freeze has my brows staying in place, and I feel like they look so much better, and I honestly kind of like it a little bit better than I actually like their brow gel. Now don't get me wrong, their brow gel is actually my holy grail, but I don't know, it might have to scoot over for something new by them. So I really do love the brow freeze. It works really well and it's easy to use. For me personally, as you guys seen, I have to apply my brows first and then go ahead and use it, and that's the way that it works best for me. I feel like with this product you have to pretty much figure out like how it works best for you, because like I said, I have seen people on social media using it the opposite way. So they'll apply it first, and I actually did that the first time, and I just really was not pleased with how my brows came out. I felt like, I don't know, I just didn't like them. It just wasn't for me. That's how I use it. But if you get this product, definitely play around with it and learn like how it can work for you. Would I recommend it? Definitely. I feel like this product is really nice to add to your brow routine. So now let's go ahead and talk about the highlight. So I absolutely love the highlight. It gives you that really beautiful gold beam type of look. I don't know if it's just appearing that way on my skin tone, but I feel like it gives it. Now as far as the name, like I feel like the name should kind of correlate and match. I don't feel like Iced Out is a good name for this beautiful golden highlight. However, I do really like the highlight. I also really love the packaging, and the highlight is just beautiful. So I would definitely recommend it if you are in the market for a new highlight. Now for me personally, I own a lot of highlights, but I feel like with Anastasia, I always get their products no matter how many of them that I have, because I just absolutely love their brand, and I know they always produce quality. So but if you already have a highlight that looks similar like this, definitely don't waste your money. But if you just want it like I do, like, girl, go ahead and get it, because it is really, really cute, as you guys can see. So lastly, we have the Diamond Lip Gloss. So the Diamond Lip Gloss, I am going to say that you definitely can pass on it. It is a really nice formula, and it is a really nice gloss, and I'm glad that I got my hands on it. But it's honestly nothing more than a glitter speck lip gloss on the lips. But the formula is really nice. So if you want to change a formula, something that's perfect and not sticky and tacky, and the glitter is finely milled, I would definitely say to get it. But if you just want it because you just thought you wanted another gloss, you know, with glitter specks in it, I would say you can pass, because you definitely probably have something like this in your collection. I know I have a few similar things in my collection, but like I said, I love Anastasia, so of course I was going to pick it up, and then it was requested for me to try it by you guys, so of course I'm gonna pick it up and try it and let you guys know the tea on it. So yeah, divas, that is my demo and review on the 3 products. I hope that this video was very helpful and easy to follow. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you tried any of these products out, or do you plan to, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.